Hi friends, let me show you this new lift top coffee table that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a white coffee table and you can lift its top, so it's really nice. I'm going to put it together so you can see how nice it is and how useful it is. Okay, you get the installation instructions, the putting together instructions, and all the accessories that you need. Okay, it even has an LED light strip. So let's do it. Okay, now let me show you. We have installed the LED lights and the app in my phone. So look at this. Let's turn it on. Okay, you can change it from the app to the color you want. You can do static colors like this, or you can do things like this. Okay, so this is a great option for any party or activity. Also, you can have some music and the lights will follow the music. Or even, what about the colors following your voice? Yeah, all right. You could even schedule the table LED lights to turn on a certain time and repeat every day. So if you put the table in your office in a public space, you could have it turning on and off whenever you want. So, well, I think it's a nice addition to this tea table. It sets an interesting ambience and it makes it look really pretty. It has these plastic bumper corners to protect you and the table. You open it with both hands. You can use it to put here your tea, your book, whatever you are doing. You have a wide, ample space here to put magazines, books, clothes, whatever you want to put here. Okay. And if you come this way, you have an open space here to put any kind of equipment or whatever, and the drawer will close and open automatically. Okay. close it, and open automatic. So it's a really nice table, really fun with the LED lights, and it's great for any space in your home, in your office, everywhere. Thank you.